Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Manage Google section. Now select Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to see and enter your current login method. Then tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!